Alright, I just had to grab my computer. Whoa! This series is about to get insane. Our performance in the previous video was absolutely tragic and Paddock, putting us nowhere near our goal of $100,000 this month. Our $2,500 performance last week was absolutely horrendous, putting us at 31K out of our 100K goal. We are now over halfway done with the month and we're only 30% of the way to our goal. We are cooked. But in this video, everything changes. Roll the intro. Hi, I'm Vito, and I live the Miami teenage millionaire lifestyle. And a lot of people wonder, how can this absolute genius be making $100,000 every single month? So using my genius brain, I decided, let's make a series showing exactly how I do it every single month. And to make it fun for you guys, every single time I lose, I will be giving out a funded account to one of my random viewers. And if I don't reach my goal, I will receive infinite aura loss and my Lamborghini will explode. So we have actually time traveled to Tuesday. Yesterday, I recorded a whole entire intro for you guys, but we didn't trade. So I'm not here to waste your time and bore you, so we're just not gonna include it. We're gonna go right into Tuesday, right into the trading. Let's get right to it. There's not even any way to downplay it. We are fucked. It is May 19th, and we are only 30% of our way to our goal, so we need an absolutely massive week. And obviously, I can't predict the future and determine the price action, so we just gotta do the best with what we can. So let's get into it today. NASDAQ, we made a really nice range and then we decided to just do some crazy shit, but we are coming back up, so still is going to be playable. Top level, bottom level, and then we have for value gaps. Obviously gonna break even off the first one, take profit off the second. And then to the downside, we did wick out this major liquidity right here, so that's good. So we just have this for value gap and then more major liquidity. So again, stop to break even off the for value gap. If you can take profit, obviously do that, and then take profit off lower liquidity. US 30 has been a lot more difficult. We had a very nice range, and then we just break out for no apparent reason, right? So we're gonna use our bottom level originally as our top level because that level is obviously so valid. And then we just had to put a bottom level. I really don't love having to play stuff like this, but we don't really have a good option. For value gap here, we're gonna do take profit off the end of it, stop to break even, most likely gonna be off halfway of it. Makes sense there. And then take profit to the downside would be off lower liquidity right here. So that's basically what we got for today. All right, so we have 30 seconds until market opens here. And as you can see, the charts are absolutely cooked, right? We were looking really, really nice, really, really good until about 5 minutes ago. And then we just, or I guess 10 minutes ago, then we started doing some crazy shit. So today's gonna be one of those days where you just kind of watch what price is doing, and then you just think to yourself, in what scenario are the probabilities in my favor? And that's what you're taking, right? Because market opens in 2 seconds, 2, 1, and you're not getting the good little price action you want, so you just gotta make do what you have. So that's basically gonna be the name of the game today. We're just gonna look, and whatever trade I think is gonna be in my favor, that's most likely what I'm going to be taking. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I missed my entry, bro. It went so fucking fast. I should have entered on that, and then I would have just hit my fucking take profit. Fuck! That's so, I'm so mad. All right, let's see if NASDAQ gives an entry. It gave the second push. Okay, yeah, we're good on NASDAQ. We're good on NASDAQ to go here. I'm long on NAS here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We're gonna close past it. That's really good. That's a really good sign. So if we get any type of push up, bang! Oh my gosh. Let me close out. Close. Okay. Boom! Take profit, smash. Everything I do is gone over in the free Discord, so click the link in the description. It's free. Let's fucking go, boys. That was absolutely amazing. That was a great trade, and better than that, the price action was good. And this is important because back during the US-Iran war, I guess it's still going on technically, but during all the hype of it, price action was absolutely horrible. And honestly, it was a struggle to get nice, easy trades like this. This was price action that we're normally seeing and our strategy thrives in. So this is really good because if we get that price action the rest of this week, we're gonna fucking cook. So we just gotta pray for that. And other than that, look at how beautiful it is today. It is so bright and sunny that the camera can barely pick it up. So we're gonna go have some fun today. I have my friend coming over. I think we're gonna go to the shooting range. I love the shooting range. A little blocky action. We're gonna have fun. Drive there is always fun because I'm in a freaking Lamborghini. Let's get to it.
Spent months in the corner, just me and my bag. I'm used to this, I'm numb to that. I know I just gotta adapt. Hey, let's wait on your Spotify rap. The messages you about to send on the 16, please don't hit send on none of that. There's no need to check what the temperature is. You know what it is if you double back. Should've put another blade in my back. Should've stood over and double tap. Bank withdrawal, need a duffel bag. What is the offer they said? What did they put on the table? What does that say on that paper?
Yo, all this money coming in, not like bank.
I haven't been this excited for a trading day in a minute. Yesterday's price action was really good, probably the best I've seen in months, and that just gives me a lot of hope for the rest of this week. Because if the price action stays like that, mark my words, we are going to have an amazing week. And honestly, I think we're gonna be able to just absolutely destroy our challenge, right? Because if we have this consistent price action and we can take bigger wins on a semi-consistent basis, we're gonna rip past 100K this month. And I normally do, but recently I haven't been because of the war and everything in the price action. But today looks good, so I'm really excited. Let's get right to it. 3, 2, 1 seconds until market opens, so that was great. And let's see what we got here. US 30 is going to immediately push down. Again, I wasn't really too fond of these US 30 shorts. Wow, but you're just really ripping now. So we got to be careful. Today could be one of those days where US 30 just absolutely floods the face to the downside. All right, so I think we're going to hit a long ski here most likely. 3, 2, 1. I am long on US 30 right here. Nice. Nice. That's a good ass candle right there. Send this bitch up. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Just send this bitch up. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just keep ripping. Just keep ripping. Fuck it. Might as well, bro. Just keep ripping. Oh, we're close. We're real close. We're real close. Come on. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Bang! Oh my God. Whoa! What a fucking trade. Everything I do is gone over in the free Discord, so click the link in the description. It's free. We had another good price action day, and oh my gosh. I've been waiting months for this. Months. And I assume this means the war is probably going to end. I don't know what date is that I'll release this, but maybe by then the war will be over. My prediction is it probably is going to end because this is not normal. So we're going back to the good old days. I used to be ripping like 150K months. I dropped back down to like 80-ish during the war and all the craziness. But man, I am excited. I have a feeling we're just going to destroy our 100K month goal if we can say it like this. So I'm very excited. So the only bad part about today is that it is pretty gloomy in Miami. It's cloudy, it's raining. So we're gonna have an off-camera work day and we'll wait it out and go for a drive tonight. And honestly, having a Lamborghini is like an infinite fun machine. Whenever it's gloomy or you have nothing to do, boom, go for a drive and it's automatically fun. I've had it for like 10 months now and I still drive it and I still have fun every single time. So when you guys get rich, buy a supercar. No questions asked, buy it. Make sure you can afford it, obviously. Buy it. It's an infinite fun machine. So I'm gonna do some work and then I'll see you guys tonight for the drive.
Out in these streets, baby. Pull up, Maybach, beep, beep, baby. And my shit came with the heat seats, baby. See-through shirt, I get a sneak peek, baby.
Blow on me just like some green tea, baby. Hey. Tired of all of y'all telling me niggas is real. Pussy, I know when it's real. You only come home to pose and pop off a look, but you forgot how I feel. Shot-town popping a pill, go on a drill, looking for someone to kill. White kids listen to you, cause they feel some guilt, and that's how your soul get fulfilled. Handing out turkeys on camera inside of your hood, then you go back to the hills. How many houses you build? How many souls did you heal off the back of your deal? Difference between niggas getting you out of your deal and letting you out of your deal. Damn, against your will, how many new names do you got on your will? Damn, how many more times is y'all gonna keep calling it soft when it's silk? Damn, how many more interviews y'all gonna do just to get Ice to chill? Damn.
We might be back, boys. We had 2 good days of price action back to back. If we win again today and we have good price action, oh my gosh. First of all, we're going to have a freaking crazy profit week. Second of all, we're gonna be well on pace for our goal. And third of all, the markets are gonna be back to normal. And that means we're just gonna start cooking like crazy. Because if we can endure the bad months. If we get a good one, it's game over. We're gonna make a shit ton of money. Today doesn't look bad. Today is the last trading day of the week. As you guys know, I don't trade Fridays. Let's just get right to it. Just looking very normal. We got some levels to the upside here, levels to the downside. I think NAS longs are off the table. Really big for value gap. Don't want to mess around with that. But NAS shorts look good. We just have some good liquidity to target down here, so we'll be looking for that. USD looks relatively good as well. Really solid range, and then a 5-minute for value gap to target to the upside, and then just a lower level / liquidity, whatever you want to call it, to downside. So overall, we're looking very good. Abnormally normal today, but we'll take it, and hopefully we can capitalize on this price action. And market opens in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's have some fun today. Let's see what happens off rip. USD comes down, not for very long. We'll see. We'll see if that changes. USD immediately coming down here. Let's see if we give a nice little retrace. And honestly, we might be just ready to go quickly. That retrace was not really amazing, so I kind of want more. Yeah, something like that. I like that a lot, actually. So that looks good. We had our first push. We had our retrace right there. So I'm just going to set that up at least. I would kind of prefer us to go down just based off the pre-market price action. But obviously, you can't really ever know which way we're going to go. So you just gotta react, not predict. That's the best way I can put it. So we have a really nice retrace on US30 here. So really liking how that's looking so far. And we'll just kind of wait this out here. All right, I'm going to go try and get my other computer real quick. I just had to grab my computer. Whoa! Oh my God! All right, so before I get all these comments of, oh, that was so stupid, blah, 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 I had a stop loss in place. So worst case scenario, the trade plays out normally. But I really didn't think it would take me that long to find my computer. It was like on the floor underneath something, so it took me a really long time. And in this scenario, I guess that's me editing the video. I edit all my videos, by the way, so if you like the editing, thanks to me. But in the trade, obviously, I got a little bit lucky and I made a little bit more than I really should have. But again, I had that stop loss there, so there was like no risk, infinite reward, basically. So that just shows like how little you really need to be managing it. And honestly, the best thing you can do managing it is not touch it at all. Like, you don't even have to be there to watch, technically. Dude, I might cry tears of joy. We just made so much fucking money. We are completely back for the challenge, and price action is back, so that means this is not temporary either. We're just gonna start fucking cooking like crazy. I am just so excited for what is to come, because now that price action is back, our strategy is gonna be back in its prime. Free Discord is in the bio for that, but man, this is gonna be absolutely insane, so stay tuned, boys. This is gonna be crazy. Episode 4 out soon.